What's up, my charge people? So we installed the strut bracing. Does it actually make a difference? We're gonna find out now. We're gonna take it for a spin and we're gonna go pick up some more car parts for it. What is it? It's the gearbox. We're going manual, yo. Jeez! So stay tuned, watch it, let's go for a drive and see if it makes a difference, yo. So obviously you ain't gonna be able to tell like normal driving speeds. You gotta go around the corners a bit and give it some. Oh, it might do eventually, depends what way we go, innit? But yeah, I'm excited. No more like automatic gearbox. Woo-hoo-hoo! R154 gearbox as well, yo. Got the short shifter, everything. That's gonna be a project. It's gonna be fun and it's gonna drift nice too. So yeah, just normal driving along. We've got some little islands on the road and it just feels, you can definitely tell a difference. Like, it just feels a bit more sturdy. And I've still got coilovers to put on the car. I still need to do the adjustable arms and everything. So yeah, there's just so much more to like happen with this car. We need to go around a proper bend and like just test it as well, you know. Love that noise. Might be getting another exhaust for this, we'll see as well. Whether I need it or not, I don't know, man. It's just that noise. Love it. Absolutely love it. Do you know what? You don't even need to listen to music in here as well. Like, just the noise of the car is like music to your ears. Where else do you get a better noise than that? And I'm sure all you Jack boys and like people who've got that love and passion for cars have that same feeling. Love it. Right, all my charge peoples, we're literally 2 minutes away and yeah, I'm going to show you all my gearbox. Jeez! Sick. I'm gassed. So I've just got to my location and first thing I see as soon as I park up, do you lot know what this is? I actually sat in this. Oh, what a sight. Here it is. My gearbox, yo. Yes, it's going to be fun going manual. There we go, at the parts car. There's my pedal box, yo. Woohoo! So up there, if you can see there, and then there's one opposite that's holding the clutch pedal in position. Good to have 3 pedals, yo. Let's get it out. There it is. You can see it up there. Them 2 bad boys there are holding the clutch pedal in. Right, by the looks of it, I've got to pull out that pin. Oh, pull out that pin, and that should take out the servo and hopefully get the clutch pedal box out, and then I need to get the brake out. Right, as you all saw, pull that pin out. That's freed up the master cylinder from back there. Just need to undo it from there, and that's that bit out. So far, in order to get this out, I've taken the brake switch out, I've taken the pin out, what goes onto a servo, and then this spring, I'll show you, pretty sure goes around the pin. So that spring, yeah, goes on the back of there, yeah, to the locking pin thing there. Take out the 4 bolts, which is being a bit awkward, depends what angle, but we're nearly there. And then I'm pretty sure the final bolts, one up there, potentially that one there, and that's the brake pedal out. So undoing them 4 bolts has loosened the brake master cylinder, so I'm just taking it off from here, and then there's one down there, and that should be that out. And then we'll continue to go get the pedal box. That's for sale as well. If you want, come buy it. Right, and there is the brake pedal. We've got that attached to it, and that one. Might just unbolt it. Hopefully don't need it. So yeah, take it off from there and there. We should be good. There you go. That's one brake assembly out. That green one, literally this bracketo went on there like so, and these were that. But yes, we're out. Well, everything else what's left on the car is for sale. If anyone needs any parts, it's a complete car here. Genuine guy, and yeah, got wheels, suspension with lowering springs, wings look pretty good. Give him a call. Awesome chap. Made a good friend. Clean dash. Don't know whether it's sold. Give him a call, find out. Yeah, manual conversion's mine obviously. Tinted rear lights. Bumper don't look too bad. Tailgate. Send me a comment or get in contact with Daryl straight. Depot indicators. Just needs a good clean. Fog lamp. Yes, my charge people, other than showing you like me taking out my pedal assembly and stuff for the manual conversion, yes, the rear strut brace does make a difference. That's my point of view. Also, gratefully enough, we now have a strut brace to install on the front, yo. Jeez! So we'll be getting that put on hopefully soon. And yeah, keep tuned. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and more content to come. Stay charged, yo. Jeez!